Enjoy these lemony delights, soft, chewy, and packed with zesty freshness. Begin by mixing 10 grams of vanilla sugar with 250 grams of sugar. Then zest a lemon and squeeze its juice into the mixture. Stir well before adding 4 eggs, blending thoroughly. Gradually incorporate flour and 10 grams of baking powder into the mix, ensuring everything combines smoothly. Next, add 100 grams of butter, followed by 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and 40 milliliters of sunflower oil. Mix everything together before refrigerating the dough to chill. Once cooled, shape the dough into balls and roll them in granulated and powdered sugar. Finally, bake the cookies in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Voila! You've just baked homemade lemon crinkle cookies, irresistibly soft, chewy, and bursting with lemony goodness.